Well, the day has finally come. Yep. 2 months of training. It's time for me to do the dance. Well, not quite. Later on today. So it's crazy rehearsals all day, and later on tonight, this hat is coming off. It's been amazing. Thank you for all your messages of support. Think of me tonight at about 7 o'clock. When we do the do. I'll tell you tomorrow how it all went, and you'll be able to see it in December. Don't forget, the message about this is not about us getting our kit off at all. It's about you going to the doctor, and any embarrassment you might feel is not half as bad as the illnesses you might get if you don't, or might stop in their tracks if you go earlier rather than later. So, wish me luck. So I decided I had to do one more surprise bonus behind the scenes. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's the day of the performance and we are now in costume. So I am a archetypal security guard, which apparently is, I don't know, it's just apparently it. I don't know why security guards have become the costume of choice for people who are stripping, but they have. And the girls are just running through their routine here. We've got the whole day of just going through the process. The clock is ticking. People are turning up here in 5, 6, 7 hours time, and this is the first dress rehearsal, so it's all very, very exciting. All the cameras here operating, getting ready, getting their shots, making sure they know what's going on. And yeah, it's the first time we've actually tried out the costumes, and that could bring a few problems. Oh yes, I do believe there will be costume malfunctions. But better to do it now than when there's 3,000 people in the room.
1 hour later.
Ugh, oh God, that was a disaster. That was a run through of that strip, and everything went wrong. The trousers didn't come off, the belt didn't come off. It felt terrible. We were left standing semi-naked on the stage. God, we got one more dress rehearsal before the real thing. I'm panicking, I have to say. Anyway, we're now rehearsing for the next bit, which is a sort of glamorous entry, and the bit where we're wearing ball and dancing kit. So that's the call for rehearsals. So, with the final rehearsals going on, I thought it'd be quite fun to show you a bit behind the scenes. This is actually the throbbing heart of the costume department. People with sewing machines and more thongs than you could shake a stick at. What are you doing right there?
Oh, you might be doing your belt. How serendipitous.
This is a very important belt. The belt I've got to rip off. And it's causing us all sorts of problems.
I think we're getting there.
We're getting there. Oh, thank goodness for that. So how many thongs have you actually had to?
We've got 6 thongs. We've been through 12.
Oh, right.
Because we had a first thongs, which we had a fitting for. They didn't fit very well. There was very little ballroom to the ballroom.
Oh, God.
To a solid
Do I
shape.
understand they've actually, at the last minute, said, actually, we want to change the colour of the waistcoats? Yeah. Oh, well, that's the way it goes.
Smile and wave.
Smile and wave, yeah. It's like a duck paddling. There you go. So that's the costume department. Here's all the things we're wearing. The security guard outfit. Weaving away there. Dressing gowns, presumably for after. And top hat and tails. Lots of t-shirts that we're going to rip off. So, yeah. Amazing all that goes on behind the scenes to make it all just happen. Huge, huge team. I counted over 50 odd people on the crew list. It's just a huge performance. I mean, it really is a huge production. Yeah, wow.
This is attached through the hole, so it should be able to just attach, sit on your waist, and then pull off.
Wow, that would be amazing. Fingers crossed.
There's more costume glamour right here.
What is that?
That's as much as I need to stretch, really.
Hello.
Will it fit?
I've got.
So opening the show tonight are the Wanted, and they're just practicing now. Got a really funky little stage set, so that's really exciting. And we are tantalisingly close. The audience are actually just out there, up those stairs, waiting to get in. We're told there's a big queue outside as well, people trying to get tickets. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Well, that is it. We just did it. We did the real full Monty. After you were amazing. After 2 months of effort and so much, heartache in lots of ways, we did it. Crowd loved it, and we got our kit off for cancer. Don't forget, that's what it's all about. It's all about raising awareness for people to go and get themselves checked out sooner rather than later. So I hope you enjoyed these behind the scenes snippets. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and watch the full Monty. You probably have already, actually. Get yourself checked out.
Thank you.